Everybody is using mold-resistant drywall on the bathroom walls, which is a standard practice, but not everybody knows how to bring a full system, and they're just using regular drywall compound, which the mold can grow in. So make sure you sort out this and get a mold-resistant joint compound, and also maybe cut down the paper and use this FIBA Fuse paper fiberglass tape. Looks like this right here, much stronger and no mold. And also the reason we are skim coating all the drywall in the bathroom is that there was a change in the way they manufacture the paper, and doesn't matter what kind of drywall it is. And when you just finish a strip where the seam is and prime it, the fiber on the paper will rise, and you will see under certain light conditions you will see the difference between smooth seam on the compound and the raised fiber on the paper. So we are skim coating this to have a nice perfect smooth surface all the way through the whole bathroom. So a few little tips and tricks about the proper mold resistant drywall system in the bathroom. Thank you for watching.